My words have called me to you, spiritual light, visioning through art baby blue from the journey's view. Happy to live, to love, to renew. Attracting these feelings, they pull me near, tickling my heart, igniting cheer, creating more sparks, moving pictures to be the joy I am, the light in me. Through each moment I rise and I glow, a spark in the world forever to show. For in this joy I find my might. The journey is love, and I am light. Joy into light, I bring being into creation, inspiring spiritually, calling my words, enjoying loving art baby blue, pretty you.